Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to transfer money from your Robinhood account to LSSC wallet step by step. So whether you have bought Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT or anything on Robinhood and now you wanted to move your funds into your LSSC account for buying the crypto plans and for purchasing their plans for staking the scooters, this video will help you to get it done the right way. Since Robinhood now supports different types of crypto withdrawals, you can send your crypto directly to an external wallet like LSSC, but there are a few things that you need to double check, like the wallet addresses, networks and fees. So I'm going to explain everything to you in detail. If you have got some funds in Robinhood and you want to use them in LSSC, let's walk through how you can do that safely. So first of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for Lite SHA. So Lite SHA is the official website where you can basically buy their plan and you can get or earn money on your investings. So here once you come on litesha.com, if you are a absolute beginner, you need to simply register for your Lite SHA account. But if you already have an account, you just have to simply log in into it. Now the dashboard of Lite SHA should look something like this. Over here you can either tap on this My tab in the bottom right hand corner, and then you can tap on the recharge option in order to deposit the crypto from Robinhood. Or what you can do is you can simply come back on the home page, then tap on the three lines here in the top, then tap on the recharge option, and then you will be landed over here on the recharge. Now if you are an absolute beginner in cryptocurrencies, let me explain everything that is available here. So here you will see three different options for USDT, like USDT Polygon, USDT TRC20 and USDT on the ERC20. So basically you are going to withdraw USDT if you select any of the USDT options, but the difference here is that you can get that particular USDT either on the Polygon network or on the TRC20 network or on the ERC20 network. Now you must be wondering which of these would save you money on the gas fees. So here I would recommend you to either select USDT Polygon or USDT TRC20. For example, let's say you have selected USDT TRC20. So whichever method you have selected, it is going to be asking you the amount that you want to basically deposit. So here we have other options like USDC. So USDC is also kind of equivalent to USDT. So you can also use this currency in order to make the deposits. You can also deposit Ethereum and Bitcoin. So in Robinhood account, it is very easy for you to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum. So if you have these assets in your Robinhood account, you can also get these in your LSSC account. So here you need to select which asset you want to withdraw. Let's say I want to deposit Bitcoin. So after selecting Bitcoin, it is gonna be asking you to enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to deposit. So here after entering the amount, simply press the confirm option. Now it is gonna be giving you this type of QR code and this type of deposit address in front of you. So this is the address that you need. So you need to simply tap on this copy icon right next to this address. Then after copying it, you need to simply launch your Robinhood account. Over here in your Robinhood account, you need to simply log in into it. Here in the top, you will see the assets that you have in your Robinhood account. So here, as you can see, currently I don't have any assets. So if you don't have any assets, you can also directly purchase the crypto in your Robinhood account. So in order to purchase that, you need to simply tap on the deposit option here on the home page. Now it is going to be giving you all of the cryptocurrencies which you can deposit or which you can buy. Like we have Solana, Bitcoin, USDC, Ethereum, Aave, USDT, etc. So since in LSSC I have selected Bitcoin, so I'm going to be selecting Bitcoin over here as well. Then it is going to show you the buy BTC option. So if you tap on this option, it is redirect you on your web browser, where basically Robinhood is partnered with Sardine.ai. Over here you need to provide the amount in USD, the amount which you want to basically buy in your Robinhood account. Let's say I want to buy $250, so it is going to show you the equivalent amount in BTC that you are going to get. So after that, click on the sign in option, provide your email address and your phone number here. On the next page, you will have to simply select your debit or credit card or other available payment methods, and you need to simply conclude your payment. Now once your payment is done successfully, within a minute or two, you are going to receive your cryptos in your Robinhood account. So once you come back on the my wallet option, you will be able to see your available or your updated balance over here in the top. Now in order to send that particular crypto, you need to simply tap on the send option over here. Then you need to tap on the option of send. Over here it will show you the list of all of the assets that you have. So you need to select Bitcoin because we want to deposit Bitcoin in our LSSC account. Now after selecting Bitcoin, it is going to show you this type of section or this type of search bar here in the top, where you need to paste that particular address or the deposit address which we have copied from LSSC. Afterwards, you need to enter the amount of BTC that you want to withdraw, review everything and confirm your transaction. Once your transaction is completed from Robinhood, within 5 to 10 minutes, you are going to receive that money in your account, in your LSSC account to be specific. Now once you have that amount in your LSSC account, now you can use it in order to join into their plan. So here you will see a bunch of different tabs in the bottom like join, run, share, etc. So if you tap on join, you will see a bunch of different sections. So here, once you have the money in your account, you will see B3 level, A1 level, A2 level, etc. The basic one is the D level, and the best part is that you don't need any equipment or pricing for it. So you can simply tap on the recharge option over here and then tap on the balance payment option. Over here you can choose any of the coupons if you have, but currently there is no coupon available. Now you need to enter the transaction password here and press submit in the bottom. So this way your order will be placed and now you're gonna be earning with the LSSC. So this is how you can transfer your money from Robinhood to LSSC with ease. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any question regarding this tutorial, you can just let me know that in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.